Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best carving knives in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Mercer Culinary Genesis 10-inch carving knife. Fantastic knife, super sharp right out of the box. Arrived on time and perfectly priced for German steel. 6 inches is an excellent length, easy to handle around meats and fruits and veggies. I've used it on carrots, pork, potatoes, tomatoes, and onions to name a few. While cleaning the blade after I finished cutting the meat, I missed the sponge. Now I could be a disgruntled customer and say that this knife is responsible. But that's not the case. The blade had a magnificent cut on my finger but fortunately wasn't sharp enough to get all the way through the bone. So if you're looking for a knife to cut through bone, you may need to look elsewhere. Overall, I would say this is my most expensive knife purchase ever. Any sharper, this would probably be the last knife I'll ever have to buy, or for my wife to let me buy. If you're on the edge of buying this knife, just do it. I would just recommend being a little more careful than I was. Pros: this knife is very sharp out of the packaging. It cuts through paper with ease. Thinly sliced tomatoes are easy. It feels well balanced and comfortable in my hand. The grip feels good whether wet or dry. The pictures don't do the knife justice. It's simple but elegant in person. Cons: none. I have no complaints. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dalton Slicing and Carving Knife. If you enjoy prime rib, ham, or roast beef, a carving knife is an essential slicer for making uniform cuts of meat. A carving knife has less surface area than the chef's knife, and makes cutting thin slices of large roasts simple while also doubling as a bread knife. The best carving knives feature stainless steel blades, with superior edge retention, and a Rockwell hardness over 56. Ergonomic handles, often made of wood, add comfort and ease. Choose from the classic beauty of a German steel, or the durability of a high-carbon, Japanese steel blade. Also, some chefs prefer a grunton edge to reduce sliding friction. While an electric carving knife may be tempting, it is actually inferior to a quality stainless steel slicing knife. Choose from one of our stunning, razor-sharp blades, stamped with the Dalton iconic lion insignia, and pair it with a quality carving fork. The knife performed beautifully and was a much better option than the 8 inches chef's knife I have used in the past. I was able to produce nice, even slices out of an 18-pound brisket, with none of the sawing or unevenness I was used to with a smaller knife. Number 3. Our third best pick is Metabomaster AntiCarving Knife and Fork Set. Avanta knives were developed for one of the leading culinary schools in North America. Designed with uncompromising attention to details, Avanta is produced by Metabomaster, a top brand in premium kitchen cutlery for more than 2 generations. Our high-quality blades are crafted from German X50 stainless steel fine knives that are sharp, rust-resistant and easy to maintain. Solid bolsters and full-tang construction give the knives great balance and heft. Avanta knives are made with rounded, triple rivet palm handles for comfort and durability. Each knife is backed by a lifetime warranty against factory defects. The Metabomaster Avanta Packerwood 2-piece Cullenschleff carving set consists of an 8 double-bolstered, pointed carving and slicing knife and a full 7 heavyweight bolstered fork. The curved blade allows you to follow the contours of the meat on the bone, while the Cullens reduce drag and prevent food from sticking to the blade. The sturdy carving fork holds the meat securely in place and is used to transfer carved meat from the serving plate with comfort of hand. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dalton Carving Knife and Fork Set. The best carving knives feature stainless steel blades, with superior edge retention, and a Rockwell hardness over 56. Ergonomic handles, often made of wood, add comfort and ease. Choose from the classic beauty of a German steel, or the durability of a high-carbon, Japanese steel blade. Also, Some chefs prefer a grunton edge to reduce sliding friction. While an electric carving knife may be tempting, it is actually inferior to a quality stainless steel slicing knife. Choose from one of our stunning, razor-sharp blades, stamped with the Dalton iconic lion insignia, and pair it with a quality carving fork. The Gladiator series blade is precision forged from a single piece of imported premium quality, high carbon ThyssenKrupp German steel, ensuring an ultra-sharp edge with excellent wear and stain resistance. Hand-sharpened 14 to 16 degrees per side, the Dalton Gladiator series slicer is a high-performance kitchen workhorse featuring a beautiful, ergonomic and ambidextrous imported black packer wood handle imported from Spain. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Wusthof Classic Carving Knife. I like fine kitchen knives, and Wusthof products are at or very near the top. In my experience, the fit and finish are always flawless. This knife makes an excellent carving knife for chicken, duck, small hams and small roasts. The blade has just enough flex to bend around a bone to continue a fine cut. The balance is great, the heft is good, and the edge stays keen for a long time. I highly recommend it as a general-purpose carving tool and one that you'll reach for often. A 9 inches or 10-inch model would be a better choice for large hams, roasts and 15 pounds plus turkeys. Seriously good knife. Ultra sharp right out of the box. Just a little flex to get around bones when necessary. Can just slide right through for fine cuts. The 10 inches length is absolutely the way to go, as you can make many cuts in one pass. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.